Bosch's latest device, the RideCare Companion. This device was designed specifically for our ride-hailing drivers. It's a smart connected camera that has an interior and exterior camera. But the key differentiator is this button right here, the wireless SOS button. The driver can press this button if a situation arises inside their vehicle and be immediately connected to a trained Bosch agent. They can find the location of the vehicle and then see inside their vehicle and assess the situation and provide emergency support when needed. This device is scheduled to launch in 2023. It will have a monthly subscription to it, but it is the ride-hailing driver's additional companion inside the vehicle. It's an enhanced layer of safety that works for everyone.
So is there like a price for it and a price for the subscription as well?
We have not established the pricing yet. It'll come out right before we launch. This is a North America facing product as well.
Wow, that'd be awesome.